Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this tabletop patio heater. This is going to be so nice for the winter and fall, for us to be able to sit outside and just enjoy the weather and not have this massive thing out there. This is 11,000 BTU. Now I'm going to put it together real quick. It looks pretty simple. We've got a couple of areas here that we are going to put together, and then we add it all in and we create this beautiful tower that has the fire that goes right through the center. All right, I got this all put together. It just has a bunch of little washers and screws that you put these three pieces in, attach it to these three, attach it to here, and I mean, you got your little glass tube in the center. And then underneath, you actually have an area that you attach a battery. So that way you can easily turn this on to ignite it. And it takes a 1 pound propane tank that's just going to sit up in there. And I'm going to get this outside on my deck. We'll get the propane in and then we'll light it up. All right, I've got this thing out on the deck. Super simple to use. You do have this little lever that you just push in and it kind of gets it started. And look at that, that is amazing. I mean, you can control the height of the fire by just turning this little knob and you can have it low, or you can bring this up really nice and big. And then this will actually warm up to around like 30 feet of diameter around here once this thing gets going. I love that it has this little area here to where you can't go up and, you know, just touch it unless you really wanted to. But this thing is really neat. I love how pretty it is, how portable it is. With this 11,000 BTU, it is a beautiful table patio heater.
It's super warm.